definitely need a ring light. But hello, I'm fresh out of the shower. I just blow dried my hair. I am going to do one of these masks. This is the Biodance. My sister brought like a million of these back home when she came back from Korea. I'll show you my stash. And this is just my stash. She has her own. My friend got me this for my birthday. I don't know if she got this from when she went to Japan. I think she probably just got this from Sephora, the PDRN. But this is the entire stack of face masks. I've been using some already, so this is not even what she got me. So very grateful and thankful that she thinks of me when she's on her vacation. So I'm gonna do this one. This is the Hydro. Okay, sorry, I had to go do something really quickly, but I'll just show you the ones that I have really quickly. So this is the tea tree one, and this one, like, you mix it in and it kind of like turns into like it solidifies. This one is actually my favorite. This is Black Snail Ultra Hydrating Essence Mask. Yeah, whenever she goes back, because she's been wanting to go back, I'm gonna tell her to bring back some of these because this is so good, and it's so much like product in here that I start to like put it on my neck, my hands, my legs, like just everywhere to like hydrate, because these are just so good. And I love when something just doesn't break me out. And then she just brought a lot of each. This is the Radiant Vita Niacinamide. So the yellow one, this pink one, which is Bio Collagen, and then, well, the blue one that I'm about to do, and then the Refreshing Sea Kelp. So I know that Sephora sells these. I've heard and seen online. I actually only step into Sephora when I need to repurchase a product. I kind of don't like to browse there anymore, so it kind of sucks. So like whenever I need to, like, or if I'm interested in like getting a new product, I'll just go online and see like just what other girls are like using and wearing. But I'm gonna put my hair up, and then I'm just gonna put this on right now. So I'm gonna probably look a little crazy again. So I feel like you cannot speak when you're wearing a mask, but my friend did a great job with gifting me this. I do like to put on masks after I shower because I take really hot showers, and then I come out super like dry and dehydrated, and then that's when I start doing like my serums and moisturizer and I don't know, retinol. What else do I use? Paula's Choice, like salicylic acid. So I like interchange them, and just to not do so much, because then it starts to dry me out and like my skin starts to peel. So yeah, bye. just finished doing these stairs up and down, so it's been really nice just like easing back into, you know, health and wellness, and just taking it easy. I've definitely already changed like my eating habits, been making lots of healthy like meals and taking it slow with that, and really just like eliminating sugar and just implementing like fast-paced like walking, not so much like fitness right away, because that's not how I am. Some people can like dive right into it, but I can't. So it's really pretty. We just got some rain yesterday, so it's like nice and cold and gloomy and a little bit chilly. I'm glad it's not raining though, because I did wash and blow dry my hair, so it'll last me a couple days before I even have to like put some dry shampoo or like straighten it. And yeah, it's been really nice just not being distracted and being able to like focus back into all of this, and just losing that water weight and the weight from all the holidays and birthdays. So yes, I'm excited for that, and just slimming out and just feeling more comfortable in my clothes and not so bloated. That's my thing. Like, I've been bloated, so I'm working on like doing cleanses and whatnot to get rid of the bloat. I did a thing and I cut my own hair, which I usually cut my own hair pretty much all the time, but it just needed some shaping and I wanted this little swoop, but then I got carried away and now it's like so short. I'm so sad about it being this short, but I'm not like mad. Sad, but not mad, and I know that it's going to grow out, and I'm just like Hey guys, so I am all dressed up because I am meeting my friend for lunch. It's at this place called Mikomi Sushi. It's in Santa Monica, and I'm just taking her out for her birthday. She did go on vacation for her birthday, so it's a little bit past her birthday, but nonetheless, we're still going to celebrate her. And after this, I have something else to do, so I'm just like, let me get dressed a little bit more, you know, appropriate for both occasions, but still looks like pretty casual and stuff because I have like jeans, so I'll show you guys. But I hope you guys have been enjoying my little self-care diaries. I know I've just been like piecing things together just because I've been a little bit busy and it's been like raining and stuff, and like I've been just taking care of like myself physically, mentally, and just overall like wellness and getting my mind right, my soul right, my workouts right. So I even feel a lot less bloated. Like I feel like looking at myself like while editing is probably like the worst thing ever, because I'm just kind of like, dang, like I look so bloated. Like it really was like all the food and just really bad choices, you know, like cake, sugar, and obviously, you know, like drinking turns into sugar and carbs, and I wasn't doing a lot of like physical activity. But like I can, like, it's so fast how my body can change within a week of like kind of getting back into like how I usually am, pretty much. And so that's what makes me be like, okay, like I don't even want to eat like that. But it always happens, like it's always back to back from like November, December, January, and I always kind of like gain a little weight throughout that time. But like I already feel like I've slimmed down, and it's not even because I'm wearing like makeup. Like I don't even like contour like that. I don't do none of that. But yeah, and also this is really great lighting where I'm at. But yeah, I'm excited for the sushi. I am rather ravenous. I have not eaten since this morning, but this morning I had like coffee and like a pan dulce, but like a very small one. See, I'm still eating bread, I'm just not eating that much. I'm still having carbs, I'm just not having that much. It's all about balance for me, so balance. But yeah, I'll take you along with us, and it's gonna be fun. And this is pretty much going to be the end of like self-care, wellness, I don't know what I'm gonna call this video, diaries, and I'll just have to see you guys in the next one. Bye.